gentle and careful with your hair. I don't know, you guys. They're saying that men like straight hair than curly hair. What do you think? I want to hear what you guys got to say about that with the comments down below, because I'm thinking about straightening my hair. And you know what tool I use to straighten it, to get it this straight? I finally received it. Look at that, you guys. I have a little bit of my hair on there, but look. This is so easy to use. And I'm just going to straighten my hair so fast for you guys. I'm just going to go in detail of how to use this and why this is great and why I prefer this over a flat iron. I mean, it's very highly detailed. I want to show you guys. Look at that. The new straightening brush. Wow, it's so shiny and so cute. Look at that. And it didn't even damage my hair. Look at that length. It took no time to straighten that piece. Look at this, you guys. All right, so with the straightening brush, not only I got a straightening brush, I actually got a really cute bag that's very soft with the logo on it to put it in there. With the straightening brush, I also got the glove on both sided to protect your hand from the heat. A really little cute little brush. This is to clean it, actually, you guys. And a great manual little book that really goes in detail of everything you need to know. Look at all this hair I have, you guys. I've been doing no heat. I only put heat in my hair maybe 3 or 4 times a year. But I'm actually like looking into wearing it more straight because I like this length, and that will just look so sexy, you know, because now they're saying that guys don't like curly hair. I really believe that, kind of, because I'm getting so much more compliments when I do wear my hair straight. And like I said, I don't wear it straight often at all, or even when I just wear it in a nice tight bun and then I didn't straighten it, but it's a little bit like stretched, I want to say, I get more play. So this brush is for all hair types, you guys, according to the manual. If you have thick coarse hair, you want to use 450. I wouldn't do that high because your hair is still fine if it's not like coarse, like, I hate to say it, but when people look at their hair and it's like really bushy like that picture, you're like, oh my gosh, she's gonna need a lot of heat. Actually, no, she can take probably like 330 or 350 on her hair. Her hair is really fine, less heat, but her hair strings are really thick and like coarse like that. And I mean, it could be like wavy, but you have very like coarse hair, then you can take a lot of heat because the actual strand is much thicker, like densed. What I really do like about this product right here, you guys, they're giving you a 5-year warranty. Like, where are you gonna find that at? You know, a lot of these other companies that have flat irons, blow dryers, all these different straightening tools, like this is the straightening brush, you're not going to get no warranty behind it. And I really like that they're offering a 5-year warranty. That's awesome. You push this gold button that's hiding right inside of there. It's going to automatically just turn it all the way to the highest speed, and that's 450. We don't want to do 450. It's not that serious. We'll do maybe like 330 halfway, but it can go to 370 and 250. So it does have like 4 different steps. It will shut off on its own. And I like that it has a little hook right here. I just noticed that. I am still going to do OG style. You know, anybody that straightens their hair, they always use these little tiny baby combs. So we straighten this piece already. I'm just going to straighten the piece right behind it just to show you guys. I like to do small pieces because as you see, my hair has not been blown drying out. This is just dirty hair with product in it. So be very gentle and careful with your hair. I always work the bottom and then work my way to the top. And this is all my natural hair. I don't have any perm right now or any color, you guys, and I definitely don't have any extensions. In this video, I'm not going to do my whole head. Like I said before, I don't put a lot of heat in my head, so we won't be doing the whole head. So I'm so sorry if you're here to see me put a lot of heat in my hair for the whole head. We're not doing that today. But I am going to show you how shiny and silk it's going to be, even with just 1 or 2 passing. And I think that's really important nowadays, to find the right tool that you don't need that many passings to really get that bone straight hair. Actually, we're gonna split this piece in half because my hair is thick, y'all. All right. Ooh. So my hair snuck in there. There. Use the smaller part of the comb. Start maybe right here. Hold that in place. The brush is still on. Wow. That is so straight. And it didn't need that much heat. Don't let me get used to wearing my hair straight. I'm trying to get that tailbone, you know, I'm trying to get the hair down there. So still got like 1/2 of a foot to go. You know what I mean? And then I'll be wearing it straight every day. I'm not one of those girls that like to put too much heat all up on my edges. You know, I'm trying to grow those edges out and get them nice and thick. But I hope this video is helpful, you guys, because that is pretty straight. Look at that length retention. So silky, so shiny. I love it. I could probably go over this piece one more time because I think I just did it from here down. We'll do it together. It's again on 330. I'm not trying to put a bunch of heat in my hair, but this is protected with the unique materials. And I just want to show you this big piece that I already went over, but I don't know where the comb went. There it is. Maybe right here we'll start. Honey child with no smoke. It is not hot to the touch. I love this. I want to know down below, like, for all those girls that put a lot of heat in their hair and they still retain a long, beautiful hair, what is the trick behind it? Is it using a straightening brush like this with low heat? Just look at that length, y'all. Look at that length. I used to buy weaves that were like 26, 24 inches and it still wasn't this length, but now I got it naturally from my scalp. Loving it. Ooh, yes. Beautiful. I hope this video is very helpful, you know. I still would like to promote natural hair, minimum of heat, but if you did use heat, I prefer using this over a flat iron any day or even a pressing comb. So if you have to have heat, use heat similar to this that can protect your hair and still get that nice length, y'all. Look at that. All the information is down below in the bio. Link is down below in the bio. Go check it out, you guys. And I will see you guys on the next video. Hit that subscribe button right there. And bye now. I gotta decide if I'm gonna wet this, wear my hair back curly, or kind of like pin my hair back and then show people how long my hair is to stick that piece out and put this in a bun. I don't know.